Hey folks, it's me and Zoe.
Oh my god.
Zoe's having a sneezing attack because she's allergic to my room. Let me get my juice.
I really am.
Let's begin our haul. We went to Value Village today. We saw some characters, Zoe.
I know.
Who was better, the Asian lady with the purple shoes or the priest? I think the priest was a crack up.
I have to sneeze really bad.
But I wonder if he was not a priest. He was just wearing like a black robe with a cross, like bigger than God.
His cross was the size of him, so I think he might have been
I'm
pretty.
sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna go with my haul first because it's a lot smaller because I didn't find those steals like Zoe did. She's just a oh, she's a pro thrifter, I'm guessing. So I found this, you know.
Oh my god, y'all.
I found this gray long sleeve, and it just says Shamrock Run, February 4th, 2012. 12. And I just feel like if I wear this, people think I do runs.
Okay.
And then I also got this
Stop.
Old Navy crew neck, just because I thought it was cute. And then I got some leggings. Oh my god,
Y'all.
spray me please. I just got these leggings. They're just gray, athletic
Do you?
leggings. And that's all for me. Oh, actually, I got this blanket. If you can see it.
Oh my god.
It's like fuzzy. It's really soft. This one isn't used or anything, but the priest was eyeing it. I had to snatch it before he thank God that it was his and he got it. God.
No, I'm not doing well.
Okay, you're all okay. Ready?
So my first shirt.
She did the race.
I didn't do the race, you did the race.
I did the Shamrock race 2012, baby.
I got this, like... Sleeve again. Got this Montana Grizzly little shirt. Like a Montana. Got
Montana.
these huge shorts that are probably way too big, but who knows? And then I got these spooky socks. And then
I don't think they're freaking out.
another college.
Not like you're
It's a
going.
Triggered. Pacific.
Lutheran.
I thought it said urethra.
I love a good urethra.
University. Don't know where that is. I got this tiny freaking gray shirt. I thought I'd be.
Skinny by the time you wore it, but you...
Why are you so dang rude? Trash, right? Oh.
So she was checking.
It's like pull over thing. Just like that. It has like a zip up. And
And a zip up.
it has like a little
I
zip
live in a
up.
penthouse.
It's pretty big. They steal them all.
The biggest steal, Zoe.
I remember shaking. I got this like crew neck. It was like Nike gray crew neck.
It's just a long sleeve, actually.
Actually. Sorry. Video.
Actually, choke. Okay, that concludes our Value Village
Legs.
haul. Don't get us twisted. We're not some broke gals, but we are. Like when
You're
you.
so white. I'm so ugly.
This is our lighting for our video. We just pulled up a, you know, Google page on our laptop, so we didn't look like.
It's not even funny.
Can I just eat this chapstick
I
and
think
die?
this will excite the video.
All right, folks. We're gonna skedaddle. So.
Skedaddle.
Okay.
Bye, Momos.
Bye, Momos.